So, ladies and gentlemen, if there is anyone out here who may want to meet Atul, please feel free to here. Thank you. Okay, so the next in our series of ATR Talks, we have a very interesting entrepreneur who's going to be speaking to us now on bootstrapping your startup. Here's the guy who already did that. Prabhakaran Murugaiah, tech entrepreneur, Silicon Valley Tech Park founder and CEO of TechFetch. Welcome, Prabha.
கனவாக இருந்தது ஒரு காலம். சிலிகான் வேலி போன்ற இடத்தை சென்னை அல்லாத ஒரு ஊரில் கொண்டு வர எண்ணினார் பிரபாகரன் முருகையா அவர்கள். பெரிய நகரங்களை குறிவைத்து ஐடி பார்க்குகள் தொடங்கப்படும் நிலையில் கிராமப்புற இளைஞர்களுக்கும் வேலை வாய்ப்பினை உருவாக்கி தர வேண்டும் என்ற எண்ணத்தோடு திருநெல்வேலியில் சிலிகான் வேலி என்ற ஐடி பார்க்கினை தொடங்கியுள்ளார் இந்த சிலிகான் வேலி தமிழர். அமெரிக்காவில் பல முன்னணி நிறுவனங்களில் பணியாற்றியுள்ளார். 10 ஆண்டுகள் அனுபவத்திற்கு பிறகு டெக்ஃபெட்ச் என்ற நிறுவனத்தை தொடங்கினார் இந்த சிலிகான் வேலி தமிழர். அமெரிக்காவில் சுமார் 6000 நிறுவனங்கள் இவரது techfetch.com என்ற தளத்தை பயன்படுத்தி வருகின்றன. ஒரு வருடத்திற்கு 20 முதல் 30 லட்சம் பேர் இவரது வலைத்தளம் மூலமாக வேலை தேடுகிறார்கள். இந்தியாவில் தனது நிறுவனத்திற்கு கிளை அமைக்க விரும்பிய போது பிரபாகரன் முருகையாவிற்கு உருவான எண்ணம்தான் சிலிகான் வேலி. சிலிகான் வேலியில் மற்ற நிறுவனங்களை கொண்டு வருவதன் மூலம் 20,000 நபர்கள் வரை வேலை வாய்ப்புகளை உருவாக்க திட்டமிட்டுள்ள பிரபாகரன் முருகையா அவர்கள் பொறியியல் படித்த கிராமப்புற இளைஞர்களின் மன தடைகள் குறித்தும் கிராமத்து சூழலில் வாழும் இளைஞர்களின் தனி திறமைகள் குறித்தும் மனம் திறந்து பேசுகின்றார்.
How many of you want to build a multi-million-dollar SaaS company with no investors? That's the story I'm going to share in 12 minutes, in 12 slides. It's a 12 years journey. So it's like a trailer. So if you want to watch the movie, there is a YouTube video for 45 minutes. The whole story is there. I've explained that how actually I built the company. A lot of information, but this again, as I said, is going to be a trailer. So if you have no money, that's called bootstrapping, and that boot will look like that. Yeah. So any company to be successful, there are 4 pillars: technology, funding, team, right, and then execution. So I don't have all of them. When I started, I don't have all. So I have a very strong technology, but precisely executed plan that brought me to a bigger level. So I grew up in a very small village. When I grew up in the Panchayat school, there's not even a chair or desk. You have to sit on the floor. That is how I studied. Nothing matters. You can build a multi-million-dollar company wherever you're from. Doesn't matter. And when I started, the 3 hurdles. There are a lot of hurdles, but I would like to share 3 of them. Number 1 hurdle, I started the company at the age of 36. I had a good enterprise job, pretty good salary, very comfortable life. Of course, wife and kid. So it was hard to convince that how do I start a company, right? How many of you have a similar question that you are facing when you start the company? Right? I'll give you a tip. First tip. I told my wife, she's also here, she's my co-founder. I told her that give me 2 years of time. I will try and execute the plan. And if I don't make a meaningful progress, I'll go back to the work. Instead of retiring in 65, I'll retire in 67. But I want that 2 years right now. So she said, okay, then I started. Which is pretty easy. That's the first hurdle. The second hurdle is the investment. Any company that need investment. So when I went to Silicon Valley, meet lot of investors and successful people, they ask a lot of questions. It's a SaaS venture, right? So the questions are like, what is your ARPU? What is your market size? What is your exit strategy? Who is your competitor? And what is the differentiation? It's like when going into a boxing match without a preparation and get punch here and there. And especially when you go to Silicon Valley, the last punch is a knockout punches. Where are you from? Washington DC. Big punch, go out. We don't find anything outside 40 minutes of circle. That is the real story. So then what to do? We have no other choice. That hurdle, how I crossed, that is actually a 1-week workshop. I'm just going to give one slide what I did. But before that, the third hurdle is the product which I built is a marketplace, right? There are marketplaces like chicken and egg. You need a buyer and seller to make it work. So which one you want to start? When the buyer comes in, they want to have a lot of sellers. When the seller comes in, they need a lot of buyers. So when you start, you have everything zero. So how do you crack that one? That too, without a funding. So basically, if you see the chart, most of them like services companies with 1x valuation. It is like a staffing company or services company. Next level is a solution company where you convert your staffing and services into solution. Third one is actually a product company in which you are selling licenses. You need just buyer, but you have only one product. That next thing is actually a marketplace where you need a buyer and seller. To know all this, it took 3 years. But I just started as a marketplace without knowing that this is that much difficulty. And it's 8x valuation. Then it's a platform. Platform is like Amazon, Salesforce, those kind of things. So before you get into the venture where you have to do a lot of groundwork, the time and effort and the risk involved in that. So these are the 5 major bullet points behind the success story. One is, it has to be a painkiller. Whatever you want to do, find out whether it is a vitamin or a painkiller. So when I built TechFetch, it was corp to corp. We identified the pain point for a consulting workforce who want a job within a day. Every day he's not having a job, he will be losing maybe $600, $800 a day. So every hour matters. So we built a technology which matches the consultant and the contract in less than 30 seconds. So that was the painkiller that we have given the first reason for the first success. Second is a data-driven. Before we spent $100, we would track how much money we are spending and what would be our result so that we can stop the bleeding at $80. So when you don't have a shoe with badly small or whatever, right, uncomfortable, you have to build that uncomfortable company. Again, automation. Anything that we do every day, 15 minutes or more, we have started automating. That helps us. When we started, we had 30 people, and after 12 years, we still have same 30 people with 14,000% growth. Because most of things, instead of adding people, we added automation and the process that helped us to grow bigger. And we focused on very niche market, which is IT is a larger market. Even IT consulting and contracting is a very small market. So we picked up that market. So the supply chain system is pretty powerful. The last reason for the grand success of the company is we listen to the customer. I hosted 26 conferences in 26 months in 9 different cities. And I personally met over 3,000 executives. Personally, I handshake and I have the business cards, and that is more wealth than anything else. A lot of people know me as Prabhakaran and TechFetch Prabhakaran. Hey, I met your CEO. Whenever they are calling my help desk people, I know your CEO, I met, give me $100 discount. That would be their first conversation. We listen to the customer. You don't listen to the customer, make your product market fit, you're not going to be successful. Because whatever you are building, I'm telling you, only 10% it will solve the problem what you are thinking. Remaining 90% will come from only the customer. Then only you can build a 90% product what the customer wants. That's the last reason for the success. And when we started with the 0 recruiters, 0 jobs, 0 users, in 5 years, we have reached 6,000 recruiters, 300,000 jobs, and 3 million users. Good stuff. Thank you. As I said, 12 slides, 12 years history, pretty short. So this is my 2.0 journey. I'm very passionate about this journey. In the south tip of India, you all know the problems in the southern district, all because of the unemployment. So I want to go back and create opportunity for rural workforce, predominantly for the kids of farmers who can take care of their parents as well as the farming, and women who do not want to go out to cities. So that was the reason. And Silicon Valley is my inspiration. That's why I named Silicon Valley. It's so basically, if you put a hand in between the Silicon Valley, people read that as Tirunelveli. If you take that as a Silicon Valley, you say that we want to transform Tirunelveli into Silicon Valley. That was the reason. And it's the first building, a classy building in Tirunelveli, with 100% wheelchair mobile. That's we spend a lot of time and effort to build a state-of-the-art like an US infrastructure with a 100 baseline and everything. So we brought about 8 companies. We are running a startup incubator and accelerator in Tirunelveli. 8 companies that brought in 5 of them from US, 1 from Germany, and 1 from Japan. And we help and train people in AI, machine learning, neural networks. And they are building state-of-the-art extraordinary products from Tirunelveli. And I'm so confident because the whole TechFetch was built from Tirunelveli, and I'm from Tirunelveli. I'm very proud to say that. In addition to that, we are working with a lot of mentors, advisors, and thought leaders to bring the technology to agriculture, including building drones and biofertilizers, those kind of things. It's not only technology, and we are helping rural entrepreneurs to come to our place where we are going to build an IoT lab, sensors, so that they can experiment and take those products to villages and create jobs locally. So the 20,000 jobs, my goal to create not under the air-conditioned office. It is in and around a small villages. So that is the idea. I request all of your participation, help, and mentorship. And many Silicon Valley has to be created, and I'm glad to be part of ATL because most of these entrepreneurs are willing and happy to be part of small ventures, want to help back, give communities. So we can work together. We are willing to share what are the struggles we have and what are the advantages that we are learning from the tier 3 cities, and we are passing to that. And before wrapping up, I would like to invite Caldwell and Arun. They are hosting a TEF conference in Dallas, in part of FETNA, on June 29th in Dallas, Texas. And again, we are starting an ATA chapter in Dallas around that time. So let me give my hand to Caldwell. Thank you.
Video is going, 1 second.
உங்க வாய்ஸா
இல்லை இல்லை
ராம் அவர் வாய்ஸா அது இல்ல ஓகே எனக்கு இந்த வீடியோ want to play the video? Yeah, video.
Hello everyone, I am Arun Kumar, the chair of TEF Talk. TEF stands for Tamil Entrepreneur Forum. We want to inspire with thoughts. Number one thing which get things done is human thoughts. Whatever you take, great or not great, it comes from human thought. So human thought. So we have structured this one-day conference to stimulate the thoughts that could take from where you are now to where you want to be. We have lined up great speakers with the 5 tracks. The tracks are everyone is an entrepreneur, next frontier, kickstart opportunities, dream beyond Bollywood, social entrepreneurship. Every track we have designed for 4 categories of audience. Number one is successful business owners. You are a full-time business owners. You are there to find your next level of mentor. You are trying to partner with like-minded entrepreneurs. The second one is the budding entrepreneurs. You have an idea, you have an aspiration to go to the next level. The third one is women entrepreneurship. The fourth one is kid entrepreneurship. We all talk about incubators, but we want to focus on our next generation, mainly this year. So we have introduced a concept called TIF Junior. We are asking kids to submit their business ideas. And this is a promo video for that.
Hello kids,
Welcome to Tech Talk Junior.
Tech Juniors. What is this all about?
Are you an entrepreneur? What do you know about entrepreneurship? Can we take the entrepreneurship journey? Here we are to take you through that and show that everyone can be an entrepreneur.
If they can do, you can do. So let's get started.
Thank you. We have created a close to 1.5 hours of training video for the kids how they can discover their business idea. We have formed a great set of volunteers. They created this course, and for signing up, those who have signed up, this course is available. For signing up, it's just $60 and $50. Whether they're winning this contest or not, that is not what we are trying to achieve. We are trying to create an environment where our next generation could think that, yes, we could be the next achiever. Yes, we can able to impact the people, those who are living here all over the world. Yes, we can able to create the technology next hour. So that is our goal. We have lined up a great speaker, and we are aiming to bring in more than 1,000 people for this conference. It is in the central zone, so no excuse for the flight delay, for flight travel time. So you can be part of this great, successful conference. So I'm requesting everyone to join us to cherish this moment and this effort. Thank you so much.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கங்க. ஒரு June 29th, 30th, July 1st, 3 days we are conducting the convention on ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு Dr. Pepper Arena, 6,000 people can sit in the same arena Friday whole day without having a parallel session. We just have like a dedicated session for TED Talk. So please come and support us, as well as it's going to be a great event. The victory of the event is people may have to tell, hey, I couldn't able to participate in the event, right? So that's kind of placeholders we put together across all aspects. Primarily, the concept of the show is heritage, then kids, then women empowerment. So Marabu, Mayalai, Mahalai. So நீங்க வந்து ஒரு பில்லரா இருந்தீங்கன்னா it will become like a big structure we can build. And I have to give a big round of applause for Prabhakar. Reason என்னன்னா ஒரு தாய் தமிழ் தொட்டு, அதாவது தொப்புள் கொடி உறவோடு நீங்கள் என்ன வேலை பண்ணீங்கன்னாலும் அது வந்து வளம் வந்து கொஞ்சம் கிடைக்கிறது உடனே கிடைக்காம போனால் கூட பாசம் அம்மா கிட்ட இருந்து கிடைக்கிறது குறையாது. அதனால இந்த தொப்புள் கொடி உறவு வந்து which is going to be like a long term and a better way in the success, and keep rocking and good luck. And அனைவரும் வந்து கலந்து விழாவை சிறப்பித்து பங்கெடுத்து பங்களிப்பாளர்களாக வருமாறு பணிவன்புடன் கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன். தமிழனா பிறந்தோம் வளர்ந்தோம் இருந்தோம் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு you just need to prove something on your own. And only one last saying, if you want to come and learn, there is a lot of probability of learning. You can upload the knowledge. To learn, you need to unlearn few things in yourself. So please unlearn few things from you and come and join to learn. It will be health and wealth, and heritage will be like a big value for individuals. Thank you.
We have flyers here, and we have flyers in the entry as well. So the website is fedmaconvention.org. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks very much.